What the heck, and welcome back to the vlog, guys. My name is Jordan. I'm currently van lifing, traveling in a van. I'm traveling in a van down the east coast of Australia, and it has been wild. I'm currently down here at the beautiful beach, about to watch sunset, but guess what? A lizard just attacked me. Usually, they run away. And I was on this little coastal track, and it wasn't running off the path. And I was like, why isn't it running off the path? I don't know why, it was just super aggressive. So I tried to like move it with my selfie stick and my GoPro, and it attacked it. Check this out. Look at that. Okay, so never doing that again. Lesson learnt. A bear coming at me is just my worst nightmare. So I'd rather take a lizard over a bear. People say that Australia is dangerous, but really, it's really not compared to countries like America or Canada when it comes to animals. I spent the majority of my day exploring Nambucca Headland, and really, it's one of the most beautiful places on the whole East Coast, so definitely visit. Last night I drove another half an hour from Nambucca Heads down to Scott's Head. I'm here for sunrise. It is stunning. New South Wales mid-north coast is actually quite underrated. Every 20 to 30 minutes I find myself stopping at a new headland or beach, and Scott's Head is no different. Not only is this place beautiful, but the water here was so clear and the waves were awesome. So I spent all morning just body surfing and having a great time with me, my selfie stick and my GoPro. Scott's Head is actually known for having one of the cruisiest longboard waves ever. So if you are learning how to surf or you want to learn how to surf, I highly suggest you come down to Scott's Head because the waves are peaceful and calm and they're your friend, and you're not going to get dumped by a huge wave. Just come down to Southwest Rocks, and this place is beautiful. See what I mean? But there is a massive green sea turtle in the ocean that is obviously dead. It's just floating on top. And I think it got stuck around some plastic or some netting. So it's coming into shore. I might swim out there and check it out, but it's super sad. This green turtle is maybe like a meter and a half long. It's one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. And yeah, it's dead, just floating. It's kind of crazy. That is huge. Oh my word. As you can see, the turtle's fins have been bitten by something. Its eyes have probably been plucked out by seagulls or some sort of animal. That is the scariest thing ever. And as I rotated around to the other side, all of its guts had blown out on its right side of its shoulder. Insane. And it really, really stunk. The turtle ended up floating down the current into the mouth of the river here at Southwest Rocks, and there was a crowd that was forming on the sidelines. I was swimming around in a lot of shark bait right now, so I decided to get out of there. But what we ended up doing was a couple locals dragged the turtle up onto the shore. We rang the authorities to see what we should do, and they said, put it back for Mother Nature to take its natural course, which is probably the smartest thing because the turtle was filled with gas and was ready to blow. So after talking to the locals, someone actually found the turtle wrapped up on an unused anchor line earlier in the day, and they released it from the anchor line, and then it just floated into shore. So that apparently the turtle was over 100 years old. So yeah, pretty biggest turtle I've ever seen in my life. Today ended up being a crazy day. I ended up coming up here to the Lighthouse. Day started with epic waves, and then that whole turtle thing, really, like, that's just a one-off, and that was kind of crazy. And yeah, I guess when you wake up in the morning, sometimes you never know what the day's gonna hold, and today was quite a random but fun day. Saddening at times, but yeah, that's what you get in the world, I guess. Now I gotta go back to the van and try and find a place to sleep tonight, so let's figure that one out. Good morning, I just woke up. These are the first words that have physically, soundly come out of my mouth. I decided to come back to the lighthouse. I was here last night, but the sunset fizzled, so here we are. We're back, and I'm hoping that we get a really good sunrise because this is such a beautiful spot on the east coast of Australia.
Have you ever felt like this? Have strange things happen? Are you going round a twist? Have you ever?
So I just put the drone up, and wow, this lighthouse is in literally the most scenic of locations. It's absolutely beautiful, and I was lucky enough to even see a whole bunch of kangaroos Literally the most iconic sort of Australian view ever. They're eating grass over the actual beach, making Smoky Cape Lighthouse a must-see for any international tourist. I ended up driving further down to catch a sunset at Cresent Head, also another beautiful headland, go figure, which was a great way to cap off the last 3 days of epic coastlines in New South Wales. So over the past couple of days I've just explored more beaches, more coastline, and I've just realised Australia has the best beaches in the world by far. Like, our worst beach is like better than some countries' best beaches. The mid-north coast here in New South Wales is absolutely beautiful. No, not many people around as well, especially at sunrise. I've really enjoyed my time. I'm gonna wrap the vlog up there. We've got a couple more beaches I have to go to before I head home. But it's been an awesome trip so far. Remember to like and subscribe. It helps me a lot, obviously, if you click like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What the heck? Goodbye. Thank you again to everyone that has watched through the whole video. I really appreciate the people that decide to stick around on my YouTube channel. This vlog was a pretty relaxed and chilled version of what it usually is, but remember, there's plenty more videos coming, most likely more Australian videos as I'm still stuck here. And yeah, if you want to watch more videos, feel free to do so, and I'll see you in the next one.